And if you're the teacher's pet out there and you want that A+, make sure your house is healthy and safe. Your children are drinking the best water possible. We're going to give you the upgraded whole home water filter, a new tankless water heater. So we'll put in and take out your old water heater. Going to put in a new tankless for you. We use a upgraded Moen Flow automatic water shutoff. So this one is a upgraded automatic water shutoff. And then we're also going to do that maintenance for you, the whole home maintenance on your house. And that one is $180 a month. Apply with our financing and make sure you're approved. But for $180 a month, you can have that A+ healthy drinking water in your home and make sure that your house is taken care of. Your children have the best opportunity to grow and learn and stay healthy.